Hello, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll guide you through the process of creating a formula field to calculate a commission inside of a Salesforce report. This report will help you calculate anticipated commissions based on your opportunities. When you're done checking out how to change your life with report formulas, we have a video at the end that shares other things that you and your team can do to increase results and reduce spending on Salesforce, which also includes a new program that will pay you rebates on your annual licenses, which you can invest in training and consulting. Check out that link for how to maximize Salesforce, and let's get started. So we're going to start by creating a new report. First, from your Salesforce homepage, click on the Reports tab. Next, click New Report, and on the left side of the screen, select Opportunities. Then click Start Report. Now we're going to apply filters and grouping. So now let's set up some filters. Select Filters on the left and update the close date to all time to ensure all opportunities are included. To organize your data under Group Rows and Stage, and Add Stage. This will group your opportunities by their current stage in the sales process. Now, calculating commission with a summary formula means that we're going to create this formula. So we want to calculate a 20% commission on the amount field. On the left side, select Fields and look for the Summary Formula section and click Create Formula. For the column name, type in Anticipated Commission. Under Display, select General, and this is where you decide where the formula will appear in the report. Now let's build the formula. Start typing Expected and select Expected Revenue, and add a multiplication sign, then point 2 to multiply by expected revenue of 20%. Formula, click Apply. You'll see that anticipated commission has been added as a column to your report. Saving your report now, but you'll do that by clicking Save and Run. Now give your report a descriptive report name. Salesforce will automatically generate a report unique name for you, but add a report description to provide more context. Then choose whether to save the report in a private or public folder, depending on who you want to have access to it. And once you've done that, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a commission report in Salesforce. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a formula in Salesforce reports in Salesforce. Mastering these skills will significantly boost your productivity. Now today we've just scratched the surface, but on the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist, and I've also included a 5-minute video that will share 3 strategies that you can use to increase results and reduce Salesforce license costs. This video shows a new way to get rebate dollars from your annual Salesforce licenses that you can use for training and consulting. So please spend just a few more minutes of your precious time, watch that video, and we'll help you take Salesforce to a whole new level in your company. Finally, please like and subscribe, and thank you, and we'll see you soon.